If you've ever stood on a beach, feeling the warm grains of sand slip between your fingers, you've touched the tiniest fraction of the vastness that surrounds us. Every grain, unique, uncountable, endless, becomes a symbol of something greater, something almost impossible to imagine. Now, imagine this. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on every beach, in every desert, across our entire planet. More stars than we could ever count, even if we spent 1,000 lifetimes trying. 70 sextillion stars. The number itself feels unreal. Almost incomprehensible 70 sextillion points of light scattered across the eternal dark. Each one burns with its own energy, its own story, its own time. Each one might hold worlds, atmospheres, moons, and perhaps life. When you gaze at the night sky and see a faint flicker, a pinprick of silver light, remember, that star is only one among billions upon billions. And yet, that one flicker connects us to the endless. The night sky is not just a canvas of beauty. It is an ocean, a silent sea of stars, stretching beyond imagination. Tonight, we dive into that ocean, into the infinite sands of the universe. Billions of years ago, there was only darkness, cold, endless, empty. Then, from that void came light. Hydrogen and helium atoms swirled, collided, fused. And in a heartbeat that lasted 1 billion years, the first stars were born. They were giants, massive, blazing, short-lived titans that burned with ferocity and died in spectacular explosions, scattering the ingredients of life itself. Iron, carbon, oxygen, everything we are, everything we touch, forged in the hearts of those first suns. Each star that followed was a descendant, a child of cosmic fire. Clusters formed, galaxies spun, and across the vastness, light bloomed like cosmic flowers in an endless night. When we look up now, what we see is history frozen in light. The photons that touch our eyes tonight began their journey millions, even billions of years ago. Each beam carries a story from a different era, a different moment of creation. The stars are not just distant. They are ancient memories, whispering tales of how the universe came to be. And as countless as they are, 70 sextillion of them, they remind us that from the smallest spark, infinity was born. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is just one spiral among trillions. Within its swirling arms are over 400 billion stars, suns of every size and color. Some are newborn, wrapped in clouds of gas. Others are dying, fading embers of light slowly dimming into the void. Imagine traveling across this sea, past the golden glow of our own sun, past red dwarfs that flicker faintly, past blue supergiants blazing with energy. Each star a world unto itself, each system filled with planets, moons, and mysteries. Now, multiply that journey by billions. Each galaxy holds hundreds of billions of stars. Each cluster holds thousands of galaxies. And beyond them lie superclusters, cosmic cities of light stretching across unimaginable distances. The universe, scientists believe, holds over 200 billion galaxies. Multiply that by the stars within each, and the number grows until our minds can no longer hold it. 70 sextillion, a number so vast, so heavy with magnitude, that it bends the limits of human comprehension. We often look at the stars and feel small, but perhaps within that smallness lies the beauty of connection. Because somewhere in that infinite ocean on a tiny blue world, one species looked up and began to wonder. Not all stars are the same. Some burn hot and fast, blue giants that live for only millions of years. Others, like our sun, glow steadily for billions. There are red dwarfs, dim and eternal, that will still shine long after every other star has died. And then there are white dwarfs, pulsars, neutron stars, the ghosts of suns that once blazed with life. Each star is a balance between creation and collapse, gravity pulling inward, fusion pushing outward. When that balance breaks, the result can be catastrophic and beautiful. Supernovae light up entire galaxies. Black holes are born from the corpses of dying stars. From the smallest flicker to the mightiest explosion, every star contributes to the universe's endless rhythm: birth, life, death, and rebirth. Even in the silence of the cosmos, there is movement, energy, transformation, and somewhere in that motion lies us, built from stardust, shaped by cosmic fire. The calcium in our bones, the iron in our blood, the carbon in our DNA, all once part of ancient stars that lived, burned, and died long before the Earth even existed. When we look at the night sky, we are not just seeing stars. We are seeing our ancestors. Even with the most powerful telescopes, we can only see a fraction of what's out there. Our visible universe, the part we can observe, is about 93 billion light years across. Beyond that lies the unknown, regions where light has not yet reached us, places beyond time itself. Every telescope, every satellite, every cosmic image we capture is like a grain of sand compared to the beach of what truly exists. We count the visible stars, 70 sextillion, but there are more hidden behind the fog of time, beyond our instruments, beyond our reach. Astronomers believe the universe may be infinite, with no edge, no center, no end. If that's true, then the stars are not countless because they are many, but because they never stop. Every second, new stars are born in distant galaxies. Every second, old ones die. The universe breathes, expanding, evolving, creating, destroying endlessly. Somewhere, in a galaxy we'll never see, a new sun ignites, a new planet forms. Maybe, just maybe, someone looks up at their own night sky and wonders the same as we do. Stand beneath the stars tonight. Look up, feel the weight of silence pressing down from above, and the light that has traveled billions of years just to touch your eyes. That light carries everything. The birth of galaxies, the deaths of suns, the endless story of existence. 70 sextillion. The number is staggering, yes, but it is also comforting, because it means the universe is richer, deeper, more alive than we can possibly imagine. Every point of light you see is a reminder that we are part of something vast and eternal. We live on one small world, orbiting one ordinary star, in one arm of one galaxy among trillions. Yet we are made of the same matter as the stars themselves, the same atoms, the same origins. When you stand on the beach and feel the sand beneath your feet, you are standing on the remnants of stars. When you breathe, when you dream, when you love, you are continuing their story. The universe is not out there. It is within us. And those stars will die, those galaxies will fade, the light they gave will continue to travel, forever, through the cold dark, whispering across time, carrying the eternal truth of existence, that from dust came stars, from stars came life, and from life came wonder. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the wonders of our universe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who love the stars too. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a journey through the cosmos. Keep looking up and stay curious.